This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 4th, 2019. So anyway, I got a call for AC not working in the house. An older Portuguese guy. I've worked there before. He got a lot of old equipment there. But he says the unit's not cooling off at all, so maybe it's a bad capacitor or something outside. Maybe the capacitor let loose or burnt wire or something, but see, we're going over there to see if we can find out what's going on with it for him. Miss Molly's all excited about working. She loves going to work. Love working. You love working. Yeah, I know you love working. You love working. Oh, I know it. You love working. Yeah, you love working. I know you do. You're one working dog. You are working again. Miss Molly's working again, y'all. And if it's off?
Exactly. Yes.
Alright, so something's wrong then.
And it's not coming. Oh.
The fan's running it downstairs whether this is on or not. Okay. Because this is off. Alright, we'll go check it. So it runs all the time?
Yeah.
Fan, okay.
Now I think after I close the switch downstairs and open, I think it started working. But what happened is not cold. We couldn't even sleep upstairs.
Well, that had nothing to do with the fan part of it.
No, we do.
Sometimes there's a delay here. Sometimes there's a delay. Let's see if it shuts off. Alright, so that was just on delay. That's the way it's supposed to work. When you shut it off, there's a delay on it. So let's turn it on cooling and let's see if so you're saying it wasn't cooling.
Yes, but what happened is supposed to have a delay, but you're not supposed to have a delay something like for an hour. Was on for an hour without shutting off.
Oh, it just shut off now.
Exactly. That's what I'm.
Well, maybe there's something wrong with the outside unit, guy. Let's go look at it. I mean, hang on a minute. You're jumping to conclusions here.
No,
You're confusing me. Let's do one thing at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're confusing me.
Because I come over here.
Yeah.
And I open and close the switch. That's when it started working. Why?
All right. Well, hang on. We'll put on cooling. And let's see if it starts to cool, and we'll turn it down. And let's see if we'll check the unit outside. Okay. Yeah. You might have had this on fan on. The fan will run all the time. Did you have that on?
No. I haven't had it on mine.
All right. So we got it on cool. Let's go see if that part's working.
Okay.
And then.
Was like this. Yeah, you told me before that.
Yeah, leave that. All right. Let's see what's going on outside.
You know what I mean? The last time you were.
So you're saying it's not cooling?
Exactly. It's not cold enough.
Well, last time, you know, your system's pooched. I mean, it's not installed right.
Yeah, you told me that.
Let's go see.
Another thing I want to ask you: if this unit like go, with the parts I have, I can put a bigger unit.
Oh, your ductwork's all shit in the house. Yeah, no, that's the problem.
Yeah.
No, a bigger unit's not going to take care of it. I mean, it's not the unit that's too small. It's the ductwork.
Yeah, you told me that the ductwork was wrong.
Yeah, ductwork's not installed right.
I don't think they did anything right anyway.
Boy, nice weather, huh? We've been having.
Yeah.
It's not even running, so maybe it's a capacitor or something. Wow, that thing's red hot. Feel that? Wow.
Yeah.
That's red hot. I bet you maybe that thing's chooched.
What you say?
I bet you that thing's red hot. Can't even touch it.
Come over here too. See,
What guy? What guy come over here?
The one he come over here to because then I have air conditioning before, but the guy measured the house and everything. He measured downstairs. It never was cold enough. And I closed the ducts downstairs.
Yep.
Oh.
It's the capacitor's bad.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But if it's bad,
The capacitor's
Yeah,
bad,
but
not the compressor. We'll fix it. We'll fix it.
yeah, but it make not go cold.
Yeah, we'll fix it, guy.
Yeah. And hoe was je toen voor het jaar dat je nog weer en dat ik dit een goed.
It's the ductworks. The ductworks was installed for heating, and then they added air conditioning, and it's just not keeping up.
You don't think it's
No,
the duct work in the unit? No.
no, I told you already what it was. Yeah, wow, look at that. Holy shit. She's a puffer. Look how puffy it is. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the 35.5. Look at that, huh?
Yeah.
She's pregnant. It should start when we fix that, but that's a 35.5. We'll get one out of the truck. We'll put one in there, and she'll be all right. All right, so I got the disconnect out. Been nice weather, huh?
Yeah.
Real nice.
This morning was foggy. This morning was really foggy. Yeah, compare the hurricane, we've been lucky, thank God.
Yeah.
Over here, we've been
So
lucky.
far, no hurricane, huh?
Yeah. We don't need them anyway.
No, we don't need it.
I feel sorry for that people.
Oh, it seemed to be moving kind of slow, though, no?
Yeah, yeah. Now I think it's got to a 2, I think, instead of 5.
Oh, it's only a 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably get the wind from it after it comes up
Yeah,
there,
because
no?
this morning was no wind at all. Now it started a little bit wind.
Yeah, a little wind, yeah.
But this morning was no wind at all.
But it seems to be moving real slow.
Yeah, that's what they say.
It's a slow mover.
Yeah. Yeah. But they did the big damage in
It's a slow mover. So that's why it wasn't running, because capacitor was bad. So you thought it was something else, but it wasn't. It was just, you're making up flipping stories as we go here, you know?
Yeah, because you have a delay. But it's never a delay, something like an hour. That's why.
Well, no, because it wasn't working. That's
Yeah,
the only
that's
reason.
exactly,
All right, so the
that's what I
fan
said.
is the brown one.
That's what I said.
The brown one. The brown one's the fan. There's the fan.
And I know because I put them in.
That's
in
the
off,
fan. This is the compressor. Yellow's the harm.
And it was keep going. That's why I know it was something was wrong.
This is the harm, the yellow. And then this one is the common. Common from the contactor. Make sure it's tight.
We can't complain about the weather.
No, ain't gonna do you no good. And then this is the common from the compressor, I believe. It should fire up when I get this. Alright. She's a puffer. She's pregnant.
Yeah.
Fucker's pregnant. Alright, that should fire right up now. We'll just put it in and it should fire. That's what the problem was. Yeah, it's a little 2.5. It's a little 2.5 ton, which should be fine. You know, that should be fine for this size house.
If you told me once in a
See
while.
how that thing's all puffy? That's what your
Yeah.
problem is. So,
You think it's going to be a little bit colder now?
no, it's going to be the same as it was before. Well, at least it's going to cool. I mean, before it wasn't even running.
You told me once in a while, come over here.
Well, once a
get
year.
water. Step and do. I put this on because this was really close to the ground.
Yeah, no good.
I bought this in the Home Depot to bring it up.
Oh, the blocks, yeah.
Yeah. You told me it was no good.
Boy, you don't want it down in the mire.
Yeah. Yeah. You clean it all around.
We know the charge is good because I was here not that long ago checking the charge.
See that Sunoco?
I know the charge is good. I was just here not that long ago and we checked it. So, all right, so it's running. That's what it was. The capacitor was bad. You want it on 70?
Yeah.
70 degrees. Yeah, fan automatic. All right, that should be working now. Should be good now.
Oh, it's a lot colder.
Nice and cold.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay.